Welcome to our vlog! We're going to vlog the toys of Jella right now. But she's playing something. So I'll be the one who will vlog crayons. That's all pastel pala niya. So we're going to vlog the new toy of my baby. And it's the color DIY. It's the cartoon or the box really. It has 6 color clay tool set, paper of clay, and ice cream maker. It has color clay of 6 colors inside a cup. And here it has tool set. Those are the tool set. Okay. And this is the paper clay. 6 colors and the tools, and it has its own ice cream maker. It looks like that. You can create your own ice cream. And next one is, we bought this one, another set, but a small version, to create cupcakes and donuts. Tool set of that one is in here. It has 6 colors just like that, but the smaller version. There's 3 ziplocs, I mean, and the tools are here, right baby? Right? Yeah. Wow. Wow, right? Dad? Yes, what's that? Red. What color is that? Where's color red? Very good. How about color blue? Oh, color white. Very good. Color yellow. Color brown. Brown. Very good. Smart girl. Yay! Good job, baby. Oh, that's color red. Very good. Yellow. White. Peach. Brown. And blue. Wow, very good, Chacha. Oh, that's color pink. Okay. We're really a fan of Cookie Swirl C. That's why we bought this Play-Doh sets. Yes. Yep, okay. Can you show them? What's that set? Other set? Oh, the other set is for cakes, right? You're going to create your own cake and creating cakes. Oh, it has a cupcake cartoon. Oh, that one. Okay, it has like this, guys. These are the tool sets. The ziploc, 3 ziplocs, just like the 6 colors. The same, the small version, and what you saw earlier, the cupcake. It's very nice. Really love it. If you're going to ask me where did I buy these kinds of toys for my baby, I bought it in Shopee. I'm just going to. You just need to search for the name. It's not expensive though. This set here, there's 3 sets. I'm going to show you first the other set. Okay. That's okay, baby. Excuse me. Okay. The other set is this one. Another set for ice cream, creating ice cream, delicious ice cream. There are they call it instructions how you can create or develop your creativity, such as this. The first step is the clay to this shape with tool, and then second, that one, and third, and you can create your own ice cream. Okay, and I'm going to show you. She's busy. Okay, the tools again here. Those are the tool set, the 3 ziplocs, and the 6 color clays. notice. Warning, contains many parts. Please don't put into mouth. The product is not suitable for children under the ages of 3. Color dough is safe and non-toxic, but not to be eaten, I mean. Please remove packaging and attachments before giving this toy to the child. Please retain packaging for future reference. Note, to retain soft, please seal it into the tank after use. Otherwise, it may vapor and become induration. Color dough ingredient, flour, edible pigment, essence, and purified water only. Right, baby? And how to clean the clay. That's very important, right, baby? Is that important that you're going to clean?
No.
No, it's not important. After playing with toys, diba, you need to clean, anak? Sorry for that, guys. Wow, is it nice? Is that nice? No, it's not nice. What's that? It's apple. Where's the apple? Okay. Let's read the clean. So the maintenance, I clean first. When colored dough is stick to carpet of clothes, please use brush to clean up or remove it after it's dried up. Because clay is usually is going to dry up, or it's going to be hard as a rock now. So the maintenance is the product is reusable. When the color dough became hardened, please add a little water and rub up to soften the dough. Particular operation, please follow the instructions on packaging. So I already do the maintenance already twice already, because I always forgot, or my baby always to never lock her clays. Put it inside the what do you call it? Put it inside the packaging, or the ziplock, or the cup. So that's where the reason why it's going to be dried up. Look at this one. Now lang niya. It got teared up because of her. My goodness. It's for the donuts bags. Look at her. Okay. So this is good for training cooperation, sense of touching, and be creative, and vision training. It's training. Okay. My baby now is not still in 2 years old, but she's going to be 3 years old this year. So, and I think she's a little more matured at her age already. So that's the reason why I bought this, even if it's not suitable for children under the ages of 3. Okay?